Everything reminds me of you, but everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, none of those white hot sands. Every sunrise is just for you, so come along and take my hand.
I be coming on here looking so raggedy, but hello and welcome back to my channel. And on today's video, it's a vlog, and I'm just
there's many different
studying basically right now with my friend. She is my lace ventilating coach, instructor, so I'm just doing that right now. I also got my MAC card, Pro card. This is like where I shop at the most for makeup, and now I'm going to transfer a lot of my big files to this because my computer is running slow, so I'm gonna let you guys watch me do that. So I'm in Cosmoprof. I'm about to get some shampoo.
All set?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have your personal card?
414. So we're outside Ulta, guys. I'm here with Kira. I'll put her channel link below.
Great.
She's supposed to be doing more.
Come up though. So,
Yeah, she just got new stuff for Christmas, so she better start doing what she's supposed to do. It ain't that cold out here today though. It feels kind of good. My mama out here thinking she look cute. Y'all be commenting in the comment section how my mama look good. She look alright. It is one something. We supposed to be halfway done. We went to 2 places because y'all auntie took forever, okay? She couldn't find her shoes, she said. Mama, when she first left. Then she said she had to get in the shower. Then she couldn't find her shoes. It's such a vloggy kind of day today. Oh, her jacket kind of cute. Hey, I like this camera because when the camera is facing the streets or something, people can see like I'm recording. Is this her? Yeah, I see a little dust on the bottom of the car. That's it. It's so many cars go out here right now. Here she come, y'all. Y'all want to see? Here she goes. Come on, girl. Dude.
I don't want no brown in it.
Mama, that kind of look nice. Against like the next, you got all them cream.
Okay, let's see if I can find me a wood cutting board.
Mama, what?
Oh, not like that though. Oh, yeah.
We in Home Goods now, guys. With her. Yes, y'all always asking about her look. Too much going on. Mama, these not where we seen all of them though.
I know, but I just looking at the wood stuff. That's all. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, and it's heavy. Oh, jeez.
Ma, I like that one too. How much? Who?
I get more than one thing if it's just $25.
Mama, I'll think about it. Put it in there.
I get more.
Put it in there, I think.
I wish they had one like this, but big.
Why do you want that?
Because I like the handle.
Okay, Mom, put it in here just in case these people gonna steal this stuff.
Steal it?
I mean, you know, get it. No, it's on the camera. Come on! Oh my God. Somebody gonna come down here. What? Okay, how show me. It's like body character camera. Yeah, it's body character camera. Stop.
That's because Glinda wanted to work something.
Mama, I hope ain't no person in there. Can they come on so we can do a TikTok?
Hi, the daughter.
Why are you doing that?
It's Diva Glam here.
Dang. What you doing? This is all on recording. Get back to. Hey. Here come Miss Nancy. How are y'all learning in 2 seconds?
Okay, yeah, this the one.
Okay, we gotta wait. So hello guys and welcome back. As you guys can see, I've been shopping all day. I'm finished with Christmas for the most part. I have to make a few orders on Amazon and then that will be it. And I'll show you guys what I got from the store. I got some food from the store. I didn't get too much for me. I did get this makeup organizer, this acrylic. So yeah, I think eventually I wish they had two because my jewelry could have went in one, but I'll look for another one later. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys this. See how I can prop you gals up. Hello. So I got some shampoo and conditioner. Like, I had to get a big one. I was getting the little ones and it wasn't doing it for my house, so I had to get 2 big ones. So I got these, and those are from the professional hair store. And then I got this acrylic container, so I can put hopefully all this makeup. Oh my god, I'm scratching up the bottom. Just got it. Once I move into my new home, I don't think that I will have these for makeup, because I kind of want something else. So I don't know what though, or I want more of these because this one to me is a little bigger. It's not as small. And you guys notice that when I post vlogs, a lot of them are with my mom. And that's just because me and my mom are really, really close. And like, that's who I roll with. But today my sisters came. They normally don't come, but they came today. And we had a pretty good time. So it comes with these things in here, and I'm going to keep these in here. Okay. I just opened up a package. These are going to be my Christmas nails. I'm going to do these probably tomorrow. Yeah. I've been a press-on gal, so I think I'm going to do these. So these came, but this is the acrylic container, and it looked like it's kind of, yeah, it's stackable. So, but Home Goods only had one. So I'm just going to start with what I need to, which are these. I really want to see if I can fit all my foundations and powders. I don't have a lot of them, but I just don't want them to sit out like that anymore. So see, I wish I could have did them like this, but I can't. And I can't do it. I may can put these in there, so I'm gonna see. So I'm gonna put my foundations in here and my concealers. And you know, you gotta see how you want them to be. So
everything is not enough. Feeling out by the ocean, among all those white hot sands. Well, every sunrise is just for you, so come along and take my hand.
And then we have this. So I am happy with it. This is all the stuff that I use on a regular basis, so I'm pretty happy. So this is it. I'm so happy with it. I've been wanting these for so long. I don't know, it was too cheap to get them, but now I really need them. So yeah, so I got these up here, and now this is it. These I really like too. I'm gonna keep these. I could put jewelry or something in here, but I'm not sure.